And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
What you running there?
Running 215 ZV6s on a JT63.
Oh, that's clean back there, man. What kind of battery pack was that back there?
Lithium, pretty sure.
Is it skip or something like that?
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, it look good, man.
Thank you.
You did everything yourself?
Yes, sir.
Oh, man.
Well, no, I didn't. They did.
Jerry, Power and them, yeah, they do real good work.
Hello? I got wasn't starting. Someone said it. Well, I'm
Anywhere they can follow you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where can I follow you at on there?
Instagram, TheRealZach13 _. And y'all Snapchat, TheRealZach13. TikTok's the same.
Okay, y'all should give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you. You gotta use this.
Yeah, let me see.
Appreciate it, man.
Appreciate it, bro.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.